In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an Arnold press in a seated position on a bench. So I've got the bench nice and upright. This is as upright as the bench will go. And what I'm going to do is place the dumbbells on my knees and put my feet to hip width apart in terms of distance. From here, you can do two things. You can either decide, if you're doing lighter weights, to hammer curl the weight up, or alternatively, you can decide, if you're using heavier weights, to use a bit of momentum in terms of using your knees to bring those weights up. Now, what I want you to notice here firstly is that my palms are facing towards me. So I've got a palm facing my face position that I start off with. And as I bring my elbows out and rotate my elbows away from my body, I've now got a palm facing the camera position. From this position, I come directly up into a shoulder press. I come back down. I'm trying to find that 90-degree angle at the elbows, and then I'm going to return back to my start position where the dumbbells are just in front of my chest, and I've got that palm facing myself position. So elbows flare away from the body, and also the palms do the same. Once I've rotated the palms and brought my elbows away from the body, I shoulder press up, I bring that shoulder press back down, elbows come in and hands start to rotate to face myself. So quickly that looks like this. We start doing fluid movements. We can put all of those steps together and make it one dynamic movement so we don't split it up into this, this, this and this. We do it all together at the same time, rotating the hands on each repetitions and bringing the elbows out as well. Once you've done that, you've just completed your seated Arnold press, and you would of course do that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.